Hi everyone, we are from Tech High Tech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College. We are from EC department going to present our final year project which is Magneto Cumulative Generator as RF or microwave supply using Tesla Coil method. My batchmates are G. Mahesh and E. Vignesh and myself S. Suhail Ahmed. And our project is guided by our assistant professor of EC department S. Sivasarvana Babu. And we are going to look into the project. We are placing the microcontroller kit. We are using the microcontroller of Atmel family 8089S52. We are using this Atmel family particularly 89S52 because it is so cheap and it has 40 pins and it has 4 ports, all a dual inline package, and we are having diodes which generates distortion. This distortion is cleared by the capacitor placed over here, and here we can see a UART placed which is generally used for connecting the computer. We are placing here because we have a coding for our project through which we are sending our coding here, and from this we can manage the brightness levels through coding. Through coding we can manage our brightness levels, and we are connecting the step-up transformer to this microcontroller kit where the step-up transformer is already connected to battery, 9-volt battery. This 9-volt battery generates 900-volt power in this Tesla coil. We are replacing this 9-volt battery because to supply electric current to all the components present over here. And in this Tesla coil, inverter is placed inside this box. Inverter is generally used for converting AC to DC, and in our household appliances we can also use inverter for alternate current. And now we are going to see generation of power wirelessly. See, we are keeping a bulb over here. See, it is glowing wirelessly. It doesn't need any wires to transmit power. This Tesla coil generates this amount of frequency through Magneto Cumulative Generator, which produces frequency around 70 MHz to 1 GHz. And now we will see the glowing of tube light. See, we are placing a wirelessly connected tube light over here, and you can see now that the tube light is glowing. And for the clear appearance of the glowing of tube light, just we will switch off the light. See, here it comes. It can glow up to 15 centimeter, and it just stops. The glowing of light stops where we keep our hand, because there it is grounded automatically. Sir Nikola Tesla has proposed this project, and we have just created a prototype for that. In future, we may see more number of wireless transmission of electricity taking place, and this is done by using radio frequency and microwave, by having magnetic cumulative generator which generates frequency around 70 MHz to 1 GHz.